So the final thing that I want to go over before I set you off to work is how we're going to go from rock, paper, scissors, right? From rock, paper, scissors to this. Canvas is still down, so let me dig through my archives here and find an RPS app. There it is. Well, that's not a good one. Let's see. Okay. So hang on, I'm looking for something specific here. Yeah, that'll work. All right. So we have that rock, paper, scissors. We have that rock, paper, scissors game. So some of these things should be pretty familiar to you. Remember we had the user guess module, which takes the user's guess and kind of cleans it up and returns RPRS. And we have the computer guess module, which generates a random number or a random choice, RPRS, and then it prints out what the computer chose and returns that value. And we have the who won module here. Now those functions I've taken and put in their own separate file. You'll notice that I'm importing random here. I have to import random in this module because the computer guess function in that module uses random. So if I don't do this, then right here, I'm going to get an error. But now, I'm just going to save this. I'm going to save it as rps module.py. Your assignment is to take this, to take your functions, put them in their own module file, and then what you're going to do is you're going to import it, RPS module. So if I print the directory of RPS module, I can see I've got computer guess, I've got the random module because I imported that, user guess, and who won. So I've got those functions now available to me. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to recreate the rock, paper, scissors game using those functions as an external module. Let me tell you, the shortcut to doing this assignment, if you want to just accomplish it very quickly, is to copy all of your code into a new file from rock, paper, scissors. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take out those functions and you're going to copy or cut and paste those into a new file and then import it. And if you import it, if I say from RPS module import who won, computer guess, user guess. See how I have commas in between them? Now, I can do what I did before, which is I can play a whole round of rock, paper, scissors in one line of code using just my functions. So rock, paper, scissors, you chose rock, computer chose paper, computer wins. So I can use those functions from this. So I can play a whole round of rock, paper, scissors with 2 lines of code now because I'm reusing those functions from the external module. And I don't have to say RPS module dot who1 because I'm using the from keyword on the import. And that makes those functions a native part of my namespace, which means I can just call them directly as who1, user guess, computer guess, as opposed to RPS dot who1. So if you import those correctly, so you take the functions, you take them out of the code, put them somewhere else, and import that file, import them from that file using the specific name of the functions, it should substitute straight back into your code and enable that. Now, for an extra challenge, if you want, let me put this out there. Ask one of your classmates for their module file that contains their functions and build your rock, paper, scissors around the functions that they provide you. See if you can make their functions work in your code. That's just an extra challenge, okay? But if you want a little extra challenge, I'm sure your classmates would be willing to share their functions with you, okay? So that's it. You got like almost an hour to work, so lots of time. I promised you we'd have some makeup work time after cramming everything in. After today, we're going to start module 12. We'll be back to 2 modules or 2 days per module kind of pace. But we're going to, this is sort of your midterm catch-up time. And once we get into module 12, 13, 14, those are going to be a little bit more difficult conceptually and a little bit more coding. So this is a good time to just get caught up, make sure you're all set and ready for those. And then on Wednesday, we'll jump back into that. Any questions?